In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the micrometers. Remove the micrometers from their respective packaging. Adjust each micrometer to approximately 20 mm by turning the coarse adjustment screw counterclockwise. Place the fixing ring supplied with each micrometer onto the micrometer body. Insert the micrometer into the applicator. Using a 3 mm hex key, tighten the fixing screw located on the back of the applicator. Repeat the same procedure to install the second micrometer. Ensure the micrometer is firmly secured.